Hi everyone, it's Tiffany and I'm back with another video. This time it is a Sephora haul. I have my box of products right here from the spring sale. My birthday's coming up, and so I thought I would go ahead and treat myself because it is my 30th birthday. It's my big 30, and there were some products that I needed. I'll get to that. So if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe, like if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So some of these were products that I saw on the website that I was curious about. Like, there was a sales section, and I saw that the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Full Coverage Foundation was on sale, and I got it in the lightest shade Ivory. I think it was like about half off. So I haven't tried a Marc Jacobs foundation. I have tried other products by Marc Jacobs, eyeshadows, liners, mascara, and stuff like that. So I thought I would try it. I've heard good things. So it looks like this. Comes in a glass bottle. Let's see. Yeah, it's 0.7 fluid ounces, so it's actually less than the standard. I thought it was a bit small. And as you can see at the bottom, like, it's just the glass. So it looks beautiful. Can't wait to try that out. I'm not a big chapstick fan, and I get very picky on formula, but people have been talking about forever the, I think it's Laneige sleeping mask, and so I thought I would try this lip sleeping mask to see if I like it, to see if it does the job. Lately my lips have been pretty chapped. Don't mind my makeup today. I just got home from work, maybe an hour or two ago, and I think my liquid lips wearing off. So anyway, I thought I would try this because my lips have been chapped, and I'm sure you've seen this if you follow beauty videos. Looks like this. This is the full size. Oop, there went the stopper. Okay, I don't remember anyone saying that it smells like candy. It smells like candy, and I'm excited to try it. It's not sticky, that's good. So there's that. I'll put that by my bedside so I can keep using that. Let's see. One of my favorite YouTubers, and I think it's Allie Grimes, like Giants. I can't remember her username. That sounds awful. I just think of her as Allie. Was talking about her favorite products and how she uses this Laneige, I think it's a Cica sleeping mask. And she's talking about how good it was for her skin. And I have acne prone skin. I have a lot of milia. My skin is super sensitive. Doesn't matter what I'm doing. It can look great one day. Can be wearing the exact same makeup the next day and I can break out. Could be food related. And a lot of it's hormone related. But I thought I would try this out. Because my face is sensitive with different moisturizers, so hopefully it'll be fine. Looks like this. And I was happy to have it off. If you haven't checked out the Sephora VIB sale, it's still going on. I think Beauty Insiders get 10% off. VIBs get 15% off. And if you hit VIB Rouge status, I think it's 20%. So there's that. I got this perfume travel spray, and I'm so excited for it, and it's heavily scented, so if you don't like strong perfumes, this might not be for you, but this is from, I think the brand's called Erin, and it's the scent Wild Geranium, and it smells so nice. It's definitely floral, of course, but there's a little bit of sweetness to it, which is what I like. This is the bottle. It's super pretty. And I had, one of my last Sephora purchases, they had thrown in a sample size of this. I love it. Okay, not a lot of sweetness to it. This is straight up floral. Like, it's as if you crush the flower up, and here's the juice. Oh, here it is. Or at least here's the package of it. See, I had gotten a sample of it and loved it so much that I wanted to get the travel size. I didn't know, after wearing it more than just what the sample gives you, if I would commit to a full size, but we'll see how this goes. One of the things that I wanted to get was this Ryoji Farewell Frizz smoothing conditioner. I have frizzy hair, I have curly hair, it gets tangled super easy, and I'm hoping that this will help. As soon as I leave my house, I live in a humid state, my hair just starts frizzing out. So I can like leave the house with smooth looking hair, but it won't stay smooth looking, even if I've put hairspray and everything on it. So I thought I would get this to see if it will help, and I just went ahead and got the big jug of it because the shampoos that I have are also in the liters from the from a sale from Ulta, where I bought the liters of shampoo from, I don't remember what the brand is. I'm just drawing a blank. So Bioessence or something. So there's that. Then I was looking at some Fenty Beauty stuff because I've honestly been wanting to try some stuff from her brand for a while. And so I keep seeing everybody talk about this lip gloss, and this is the Gloss Bomb in Fussy, which so many people like. It looks super pretty. Packaging's cute. I've only tried a lipstick from Fenty Beauty, and it's a deluxe size. So, and I'm not the biggest fan of glosses, but I've been getting into them lately, and I've been noticing that I've been wearing them. And that smells nice. Kind of sweet, but not something I can't picture, like pick up exactly what it smells like. It feels kind of sticky, just me sitting there rubbing it on my skin. But I can say that the texture, just by swatching it, seems very similar to some Revlon lip glosses that I've tried. But I'm happy to have this, and I'll be happy to wear it. Looks like it's very similar to my actual natural lip color. Because I have dry skin and is acne prone, I decided to go ahead and try this Tatcha, the water cream. I have a baby size floating around here somewhere, and I loved it. My skin liked it. It drank it up. It did not break me out, so that was important. It's not heavily fragranced. So I thought I would get the big size. And this is the limited edition size. I don't think it normally comes in a container this big. This is 2.5 fluid ounces. I could be wrong, but I know it's limited edition because packaging, at the very least, because they're actually donating money to children. Let's see. There's a little note in here, and it's got pictures of young girls, and it says, "We have long espoused the belief that small steps make a big difference and encourage friends to practice this in their own self-care. But nowhere has this conviction come to life more powerfully than through our partnership with Room to Read. Every single Tatcha purchase you have made has helped a girl attend school in Asia or Africa and receive important tools for a beautiful future through mentorship and life skills that cultivate inner strength." And that just means so much to me. And I was like, that is so wonderful. Yes, I'm more likely to buy it knowing that you're going to donate some of the proceeds. So this the Beautiful Futures limited edition of the water cream commemorates the funding of 4 million days of school. Its design is inspired by the drawing of a Vietnamese student, flowers that symbolize how something beautiful can grow from difficult terrain. So, looks like this, and there's the little girl's drawings, and they're so pretty. And it's just beautiful packaging. There's a spatula on top so you don't have to dig your fingers in. I can't wait to put this on my makeup area so that when I'm getting ready in the morning before I leave, I can moisturize. This whole area needs to be decluttered anyway and organized, but I'm excited for this. So I had been eyeballing it for a while, ever since I had gotten a couple of those small mini samples. I was like, yeah, I need to get that. So next is this color that I've been eyeballing from Kuta Beating. This is the Liquid Lip, and this is in the shade, where is it? Heartbreaker. So I've been really getting into lips because I'm good for eyeshadows, unless there's like individual eyeshadows that have like amazing duochromeness or something. I'm probably not going to be buying any soon because I need to use up what I have. So, This is the shade Heartbreaker, and it's a pinky, a pink rose color, and it is beautiful, and I cannot wait to wear that. Like, look at that in contrast with my skin. That is so pretty. Cannot wait. My foundation's a little bit darker today. Probably can't see because my blush is heavy, but I'm wearing a Clinique foundation and oxidizes. So, there's that. I got another lip product. This is also from Fenty. This is one of her liquid lips in the shade Unattached. So it looks like this. Super pretty, luxurious packaging. It's kind of like a corally shade. Now, I had decluttered a bunch of them, and then I realized I decluttered all of them. And so I was like, I should probably get one of these because it would be so pretty for summer. So there it is, right next to Heartbreaker from Kuta Beating. It's really pretty. If not for the fact that I already have reds and stuff, I probably would have gotten her red that everybody talks about, that universal red. So there's that. Getting down to some of the last few things. Okay, what's this? Oh yeah, so I had seen advertisement of this, and Paige Corin, I think, I'm subscribed to her. Love her videos. She had recommended a couple things, but I think Allie recommended this. This is from Bri OG. This is the new Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Treatment Oil. Actually, I think it was the Taylor Wynn. She did a video with Bri OG, and I thought I would try this. This is some strengthening treatment oil, and they're supposed to see, like, positive effects from this after 2 uses. So I was like, sign me up. So it says, apply a few drops to dry or damp hair, focusing on mid-length ends. It's a strengthening treatment. Oil fortifies hair with bioidentical lipids, such as ceramides and essential fatty acids, to help restore and replenish for a smooth, silky finish. This lightweight oil is densely packed with hair essential ingredients and clinically proven repair technology that works to reinforce hair cuticles and protects against future damage. And like I said, I get tangles, which means I have breakage, so I thought that this would be nice. Thought the packaging was so simple but so pretty, how it's got the flower floating in there. So I cannot wait to start using this. The next thing that I picked up is a primer. This is actually Tatcha, the Liquid Silk Canvas. I've been seeing everybody talk about it. I have a mini of the regular silk canvas, and I do like it. I think it does make my foundation last longer. It does make my foundation look prettier. But because I am dry, instead of that thick cream, I thought it might be better because it looks more liquidier in this form. So I would like to try this. Hopefully it works. And we'll see what happens. So it's featherweight protective primer, and it's oil free. Apply after SPF. So super excited to try that. Put that right here. We're down to a couple more things. Next looks like a really good deal. This is the Beauty Blender Rosy Posy set. So it's 3 different beauty blenders. And a beauty blender cleanser in the shape of a flower. Super cute. It was pretty much the deal where it was like the cost of 2, maybe the cost of the soap, and then get one of these for free. So it was excellent, and I love the beauty blender. In the past I had been very iffy, but the more and more that I used it, the more that I liked it. And I mean, I can just sit there, and this was a good deal. I can just put it into storage and wait, because I still have another beauty blender that I need to open. So there is that. And then this was, I think, what Paige was talking about. This is the Ole Henriksen Glow 2 Oxygen H dark spot toner. So it targets dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, skin texture with high potency AHAs. And I've heard good things about it. She said that she's bought multiple of them, and I was like, cool, I'm down, because I break out. So I do have some acne scarring that I cover up, and I have hyperpigmentation. So it's a dark spot toner, then I'm game. Take away my dark spots, okay? So, very excited to try that. We'll be trying that tonight after I remove my makeup. Let's see. The last couple things are samples. Let's see. There's a Dulce and Gabbana. Does it say what? Just says Eau de Toilette. I don't know if this is for men or for women. Oh, okay, this is the new masculine fragrance. It's a vibrant fusion of Italian citrus, burning aromatic notes, deepening into noble cedar wood. So it looks like that. It's a baby sample in that. I will give that to my boyfriend. Looks like there is a Clinique Stay Matte Oil-Free Makeup sample in neutral, which will definitely be too dark because I wear the lightest shade, and as you can tell from, I've brought it down. But here to here, you can tell that that shade's too dark. Clinique, can we have some lighter shades, please? So that'll be too dark, but I will pass that to somebody who I think will be able to use it. The last thing is from Kate Somerville. I think I had another sample that I had asked for, but they must have been out because it's not in here. Is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So, I already have some exfoliators, but I do like Kate Somerville, and I would be happy to try that. So that is it. That is everything for this haul. I have made one additional order from Sephora, but I can't show any of that on here because it's for my sister's birthday, my little sister. Her birthday is 2 days after mine. So I'd asked her what kind of things she wanted and picked up a couple things from Sephora. Excuse me. So I can't show that on here. But maybe I can include it after, depending on when this goes up. So we're both May babies. I'm the 8th, she's the 10th. So that is everything. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are thinking about taking advantage of the sale, go take a look and see what's there. Some of the stuff in clearance is actually pretty good. Like I said, this was in clearance and people talk really positively about this. So you never know. You might find some things that you like and now's the time to do it. Or stock up on things that you're going to use all the time. Like I stocked up on these beauty blenders. So that is it. Let me go ahead and go. You all have a good day. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and stay tuned for my next one. Bye!